How do record holders unleash explosive power for throws? Imagine harnessing the power of a lightning strike with every throw. That's what the best in the world do to set records in events like shot put, discus, and javelin. They don't just relying on strength alone. It's a perfect mix of technique, physical fitness, and timing. First, they focus on generating explosive power, which means creating maximum force in the shortest time possible. This force starts from the ground, travels through their legs and core, and finally pushes out through their arm and the object they are throwing. The key is to make the object leave the hand at the highest possible speed and optimal angle. All top throwers have a solid technical foundation. They go through different phases like the approach or wind-up, where they build momentum, the transition or turn where they rotate their body, the delivery or releases where they let go of the object, and the follow-through. Each step must be controlled and timed perfectly. For example, in javelin throwing, athletes build speed during their run-up, then plant their foot firmly on the ground. This plant leg acts as a pivot point, absorbing force from the run-up and transferring it into a powerful rotation of the hips and shoulders. A stable plant leg is essential because it helps transfer energy efficiently from the lower body to the upper body. The core muscles are like the engine of the throw. They generate torque, which is the twisting force needed to turn the hips and shoulders rapidly. The faster and tighter this rotation, the more energy is stored up and then released into the throw. Athletes train their core with exercises that boost both strength and flexibility, helping them handle the intense forces involved without injury. As the rotation reaches its peak, the arm acts like a whip, accelerating the object just before releases. In javelin, a high elbow and quick arm extension create a whip effect, maximizing speed. In shot put and discus, the arm acts as a lever, with the hand providing the final push. The release's angle is carefully chosen, too high or too low, and the distance drops. Physical conditioning is also vital. Record holders lift heavy weights, do plyometric exercises like jump training, and practice sport-specific drills. They strengthen their shoulders, arms, and core muscles to handle the explosive forces needed. For shot put athletes like Ryan Krauser, explosive leg drive and upper body strength are combined to push the shot with force, using a spinning technique for more rotational speed. Discus throwers like Mykolas Alekna focus on a smooth wind-up, a powerful turn, and a precise releases angle. Javelin throwers like Johannes Vetter relying on a quick run-up, a strong plant, and a whip-like arm action to maximize power. For anyone wanting to improve, it's about practicing the phases of the throw with drills that mimic real movements. Strength training and plyometric exercises help build the explosive power needed. Paying attention to footwork, body position, and the mechanics of releases makes a big difference. In the end, record holders unleash their explosive power by mastering the perfect blend of technique, strength, and timing. They train their bodies and minds to generate maximum force from the ground up, channeling it through their core and arm to send the object flying as far as possible. It's a combination of natural talent and consistent, focused effort that makes their feats stand out.